What's going on, boys? It's about 8 a.m. right now. I don't usually film this early. I usually wake up about 11, but I have a gift and a video idea for cameraman Ian, who lives downstairs. I think he's still asleep, so we're gonna wake him up. We never do this. Ian, if you know him, he likes to sleep. You don't mess with him. But I've got something you can't refuse, and he should be happy about it. I'm tired. Let's go wake the kid up, though. Let me know if you want more vlogs, boys. This is fun. Morning, girl. Are you going down? Okay. Don't wake him up. Don't wake him up. Oh, what the? Ah, damn it, Panda. Ian, sorry. I was not gonna wake you up like that. What's up, bro? I got a gift for you.
Gift? What?
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the PM. You should be up. I'm surprised you're not up yet.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, there is a way. Wake up, buddy. Got you a little gift. Say out of the. Oh, I'm filming, by the way. Is that okay? I'm gonna leave. You coming up, bro? This is fun. He's gonna kill me. Hey, man. Live with me, that's what happens. Waiting on Ian, boys. I don't think he's gonna shower first, but like maybe I have to sit here for a while because I kind of want to do a time lapse of this. Screw that, I'll let you know when he comes up. Ian, come on!
Okay, so it is not 2 p.m.
Okay, well it's 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, big boy! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, it's not your birthday.
It is
I got a
not
little
my
gift for
birthday.
you. I got a little gift for you. We're filming a video, neighbor. I got the camera's on right there.
Okay, what you?
I got a little gift for you.
You have a gift for me? What?
Yeah, probably the biggest gift of your lifetime, something you cannot refuse. Sit down. I think you're gonna dig it regardless, you know what I mean? There's a little bit in this for me and a little bit in this for you. Straight off the bat, just know it's not a prank.
Okay.
It's actually not a prank.
Wait.
I'll say hi to the boys.
Hi boys, but it's not a prank.
Not a prank, I promise.
Like, you actually promise?
Look, on God, pinky swear it's not a prank. You're getting what you get. It's gonna be sick. But there's a little tie in it for me. I'm not gonna do you wrong like that.
Is this it?
Shoot, I actually meant to wrap that. Okay, go sit down. I actually gotta piss and change the battery. So, good morning. Comment thumbs up, boys. Can you please say that?
Okay, you comment thumbs up, boys.
Someone's a little sleepy, bro.
Did you have to do this at 8?
No, I was just up and I thought it'd be funny if I woke you up in bed, to be honest. But then Panda did it for me, so I don't know. My bad, brother. You're gonna like it though. Let me go piss. Alright, so I'm fake pissing right now, boys. Which means I'm just not pissing. I'm shower so he doesn't hear me. I've got like a contract for him. I want to sign him for like a little bit more time. This video is all gonna come into play. It's a little bit for me, a little bit for him. Hopefully we can get Ian to sign the contract to film for me longer. See, I think like our contract's not up yet, but I wanted to revamp it a little bit. All right, Ian, you ready? This is your package, brother. Now this is from me to you. You don't gotta be scared about it. Honestly, you could probably feel kind of what it is. Like, it's not weird. Even though okay, we gotta switch positions here. This is ridiculous.
Okay, thanks.
All right, buddy, you ready? This gift's for you, bro.
Yeah.
From the boys and me.
Give me the camera for a sec.
What? Well, I'm filming you doing this, bro.
No, I just want to show them the way you're sitting. Look at
It's
this.
called good cameraman, Ian. What's up, boys?
Yeah, I don't know if that's really got anything to do with cameramen, but
Kinda chill anyway. I guess now that's on me, Ian, this is a token of my appreciation and an olive wrench, if you will. Do you like olives?
not really.
Do you like hot dogs?
Pizza.
It's a pizza wrench. It's extending my gratitude to you so you can do something more for me that'll benefit both of us.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so this is still
Yet, bro. It's
so
like,
this is still about helping you then.
no, yes, both of us together, making like a lot of money.
I see.
You haven't even opened it yet, bro. You already questioned me. I gave you a gift.
Okay.
I understand the questions, boys. I hit him up with many questions a day. They have to do with a lot of business moves that don't usually work out. So I understand. Ian, you're forgiven. Yeah. Open up your fucking gift, bro.
Okay.
Got my damn coffee here, actually, which I wouldn't mind more of.
Extremely urgent. You went all out in the shipping, that's for sure.
Oh, by the way, stop with that right now.
Yeah,
just
no,
woke up to this. No idea in my mind that they were digging up my driveway today. Apparently Sarah booked that. Did you even know? Did you even notice I was out there? They're tearing up our driveway, bro. I woke up, that's why I woke up so early. I was like, what the hell is going on? I'm not gonna question it though.
Wow, there's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of packing, bro. This is for you, bro. You can wear, oh, I'm almost about to give it away.
Where? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Sneakers.
Yeah. You've been low on your sneakers lately, bro. So I thought I'd gift you with those.
Yeah. Wait.
They're Yeezys.
Easy.
Yeah.
So they're Wait, do you just want to fill these with Slurpee again?
Huh?
Well, you did say it's for both of us.
How did you actually know? You actually just ruined the video. How'd you know that?
You've done it like 3 times.
Okay, so they're for you, but we're still gonna customize them. Ian, what I'm asking you, take the camera. Ian, what I'm asking you right now, as a bro to bro. Boys, I've never brought out a contract, if you will, on camera before, I don't think. Ian, I've got a new contract for you.
Not on camera.
Now the reason I gave you these shoes, this is a token of us going back and filming all the crazy stuff we used to do outside, in public, and just like getting kicked out of places, bro. I've actually been like missing that, you know what I mean?
You miss getting kicked out of places?
I miss those videos, bro.
You miss getting lifetime bans?
Kind of, yeah, it's fun. Like, I don't care about those malls. What this is, bro, this is just a token of, hey, we're gonna take these, we're gonna fill them up with Slurpees, and we're gonna make them super sick. You know what I mean? Maybe we'll go out to a mall and get kicked out again. I mean, like, that's actually what I've been missing, what the boys have been missing. We even have a fake StockX verification tag, which I do not promote. Yeah, they're fake, by the way. But they're still cool for you. I just didn't know where to get the real ones. All my one plug in the city doesn't have the actual real ones, so that's what it is. Anyway, Ian, here's your contract. Read it carefully.
Okay, it's written in marker.
That's not new.
Crayon.
Yeah, boys, you don't know. Like, all my contracts actually look like this. Would you say, like, is that factual, Ian? Like, people are gonna be like, this is ridiculous, but your word's your word.
Yeah,
you know
no,
what I mean?
this is pretty in line with what I've gotten before.
Can you read it out to the boys? Boys, this is what we're looking for from you, Ian. These are still yours. And listen, if you decline, well, I don't know what's gonna happen. If you accept, I'll get you the real ones of these. These are just props.
Okay.
Ian, this is a big video. Make the right choice. I'm the angel and devil in your head. Love me.
You're both perfect. Okay, it says, I, Ian, added in later, will not be a bitch and film public videos.
Yes.
I, Bran, will pay accordingly.
Yes.
What?
Accordingly.
Okay, good job. I think you actually spelled that right.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's more. I, Ian, will live by the law of Bran trust.
Yeah. Live by the law of Bran trust.
I, Ian, optional, will clean Bran's bathroom every once in a while.
That was a little goof there, but like, I mean, it wouldn't hurt, but yeah, that was a little goof. Anyway, there's a little thing for you to sign. We'll talk about the money off camera, but I'd love to sign you for more if you're down with the public stuff, bro. Actually, you can sign without the public stuff, but your pay is gonna go a lot more down if you don't do the public stuff.
Well...
Now, strategy here is putting this on camera, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's kind of awkward. And okay, so
just say yes. Just say yes. Just saying yes is contract. Hey, Ian, do you like girls?
Well, yes.
All right, there we go. Contract is done. Woo! Just kidding.
I don't think that's how that works at all, but...
I really thought this video would go better with you crying. I wanted to have a thumbnail of you crying about it, and...
I just don't like being chased at malls.
Well, that's fine, bro.
Like, there's a lot of stores I used to shop at that I can't now.
Vote down below, boys. Do we want Ian back or not? How many votes would it take for you to just give it one more try? One more try.
What is the law of Bran? Anyway,
Trust.
That sounds...
The law of Bran is trust. Your word.
Oh.
So live by your word. The law of Bran. It sounds like kind of douchey, but it's the law of Bran.
It sounds a little suspicious in a contract, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no, I was just writing. I actually, like, I put some time into it, but didn't put a lot of time into the wording, to be honest.
Yeah.
So here's the thing.
I don't think this is technically a contract, though.
No, but if you sign it, if you got it on camera, it's all good. You know what I mean? I don't deal with the lawyers. I don't deal with cops. It freaks me out. So we're just gonna do it this way. Ian, then that's a knife. We have a pen right over here.
Oh, you just want me to like carve my name into it?
Yeah. Write your name with blood, please. No, I'm gonna give you time to think about it, bro. You know, no hard feelings if you don't want to do it. But I thought I'd show the situation at hand and show how this stuff actually works as a professional YouTuber with a with a professional contract.
Yeah, everything's professional here.
Yeah.
This is professional filming.
We have a good time though, right? Regardless, this was kind of a tease and kind of a joke. I am actually gonna buy you the real shoes of this, but this is a token of what's to come. You know what I mean? Back to the old days, back to going back to things that we used to go back and do.
Going back to going back. I like it.
Yeah, bro. We respect you. Regardless of what this contract says, we shall still film together. But maybe let's not try to be this word and actually film public videos. That's what I'm asking you.
Wow, these actually almost fit.
They fit really well. Don't promote fake sneakers whatsoever. Anyway, boys.
Wow, there's like a weird
Yeah.
suction inside them.
Well, I can't tell you if that's supposed to be there because they're fake. But anyway, boys, I think this went well. Ian, thoughts?
Yeah.
Worth waking up for?
Sure. I mean, I did have to wake up anyway, eventually.
Here we go. Boys, back in action. This is how we do business, huh? You guilt people into doing it by waking them at 8 a.m. so they don't have any time to think. Their thoughts are all through the roof, so you win most of the time. What a gem.
That does sound like how people do business.
Regardless, though, you get free shoes. You know what I mean? I told you I'd just buy you the real ones, so it's out of appreciation. You actually do get a gift.
That's sick, actually.
All right.
Need new shoes.
Back in action, we're up, boys. You want to go for breakfast? Or?
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Let's do it.